Hi guys, so it's already 7 p.m. in the evening. As you can see, there's so many fishermen out there. You can see this in my photo in my video because it's so dark. And I have a low-end phone. Yeah, there's so many stars out there and we have no fireflies in there. Uy, nalagay ko an. Nalagay mga lights dito sa night market, I guess. So for tonight's video, manghugas tag kamot and we look for sapay para na tayo mauli sa balay. Yan. Be. I can't look a dog. Oh, nailumot. So di na lang ko magpadayon kay bragi kabuhi na ko basi mamahog ko dire in no time. Lah, sapay oh. Sapay stone. Sapay stone. Bye. So walay sapay. Shit! It's so download. So mo to, nakaurot nagduwa ka red horse. Ang tulo ka junkies. Wala, napakong stone. Nagparug pa akong stone, oh. Yan, Samsung, kung di ko na mapansong. Wala, mag-asin natin akong hair. Akong kita ito akong hair.
Di mana, basta kami ingon.